Did you know that the average American moves more than 10 times in his or her life? While some of these changes of scenery occur in the same neighborhood, the bulk of them involve much longer distances and, in many cases, require the help of professional movers. Without overthinking it, would you wager that the people who work in the moving industry are fans of road diets? Short answer, of course you wouldn't, since you need only to close your eyes and imagine them navigating those large vehicles around the minefields of weird street junk while transporting a bunch of furniture, household items, and precious keepsakes. In the words of one New Jersey moving team focused on commercial customers.
Oh, they've lost their damn marbles.
I would say bike lanes for sure. Well, it affects the parking, cause you can't park in their lane, so you're more in the street, in traffic. You know another thing I hate? Why do the transit buses have so much of a lane and they don't stop there? So that's another thing. Even roundabouts are stupid.
Over and over again, driver responses seem to incorporate some version of the concepts of stupidity, lost marbles, or, in the case of a Miami-based mover, craziness.
We just came from New York and it's crazy with the little restaurants that stick out. It's tough with these kinds of big trucks. Sometimes we have to park blocks away. Sometimes we have to block. It's rough.
At some point, the road diet pushers are going to have to reconcile the damage they've caused to our existing way of life. They deserve some sort of comeuppance for championing unpopular alterations that the vast majority of drivers describe using synonyms for foolishness and mental illness. Just ask America's movers. They'll tell you